Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download Killknight for free on your PC or laptop. So first of all, you need to install Epic Games Launcher on your PC. So just go to Epic Games and install it. This is how the icon of this launcher looks like. So it's absolutely free, and in this launcher you can easily install this game. Killknight. So let's try to do it. Of course, you need to log into your account, and after that just type in the search box Killknight. Let's do it. Yeah, and on the first place you can see this game. Let's click on it, and here you can easily get it for free. Just click on the get button on the right side. So as you can see, I can get it for free now. Just click on place order, wait a bit, and yeah, thank you. Now you can go to your library and easily install it on your PC. Just select the download folder. You can check these two checkboxes and install it. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.